platform has empowered communities by helping them understand their energy consumption.
CSE has been leading the community engagement part of the trials on the project, and we had 60 responses from mainly community energy groups, which together had 48 different ideas for using the data in a web app. The access to the data and seeing what you can do with that data is amazing. There's an alert function in the CSE web app, which means you can send a message out to people to say now's a good time to turn things on or turn things off.
We're a community organisation which is buying 2 solar farms. We're able to show people how much energy is being produced by the solar farms using the app that's been developed. It'll show the impact. It actually shows that the local area is going to be carbon neutral in electricity use. Data is very helpful, showing under what circumstances the substation might start to get overloaded if too many people got electric vehicles, and how that can be offset by photovoltaics.
Communities have really valued being part of the trial. I think, there's some of the organisations are quite small, but their ambitions are quite big, and they sort of look at local energy in a holistic manner. So they want this data basically to understand more about what's going on in their local area.
The aim was to try and understand the pattern of energy use on the substation, which was on a residential estate, then to see if we could persuade the local residents to change their pattern of energy use to try and even out the peaks and troughs in the demand.
For us, the project involves monitoring equipment in the 4 substations that serve the whole village. So we have the unique opportunity of collecting the profile of electricity use for one whole coherent village. Our objective in the long term is to become resilient and to have our own generator with battery backup. And so what we were most interested in was getting a profile of the demand of the whole village. So you can see the seasonal profile as well as the daily profile. Well, it gives us the basis of being able to specify how a battery should perform to deliver to the village.
Our OpenLV project was to use the energy information provided by an app that we helped develop to influence energy behaviour within a community just outside of Cheltenham. It's been very eye-opening about the potential functions of this very cutting-edge piece of energy information technology. This project has a lot of potential to really change the way that we look at energy consumption on a local level.
The core mission of a lot of communities is to sort of engage local people in energy issues. So the OpenLV data has been really valuable in that sense, because it's given the community something tangible to show to local people and say, this is what's going on in your area.